once the company got in touch with me, I was like, yes, absolutely. My subscribers would absolutely love this bag. I've been missing you, yes, I've been missing you. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to, say it with me, Maxine's Corner. I've missed you guys so much. I've been super busy, but I've got my schedule back together and I am back with you with some wonderful recipes and some wonderful weight loss tips. We're gonna have a great time together, so let's get started. And I have a wonderful offer for you guys today. You're gonna absolutely love it. So before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't as yet. It's absolutely free. You get wonderful weight loss tips, you get great recipes, and you get me and sometimes my wonderful kids as well, right? So what's better than that? Can you think of anything? Because I can't, right? All right, so let's get into what I have for you guys today. Let's go. So my healthy people, what do I have here? Yes, it's a lunch bag, but not just any lunch bag. I'm gonna show you how this lunch bag could help you lose weight. And you know what I said? Failing to prepare is what? Preparing to fail. So what I want to do is I want to prepare you for success with this wonderful undeniable lunch bag. So let's show you what's inside, and I'm going to also show you how to prepare a simple recipe. Now this bag is perfect for work, gym, school, taking the kids somewhere and you want to pack some lunch. And I also have a special offer for my subscribers, so stay tuned. All right, so let's see what's inside of this bag. All right, my healthy people, so you know I've been talking about this undeniable lunch bag, and I absolutely love the name undeniable because you are undeniably healthy and you want to lose weight, right? All right, so first thing, as I've shown you guys before, is the strap for this bag, right? Because I'm gonna be walking like this. Yes. Hi Maxine, how are you today? Oh good, I'm just walking with my undeniable lunch bag because I'm about to lose some weight. Alright, so seriously, so first of all, this is what our bag looks like. It's very strong, right? As you may see the outside, and here we have pockets, 2 pockets that I'll show you what I've been doing. Watch, wait for it. 1, 2. So I've been putting 2 bottles of water. Yes, absolutely love it. That's one of my absolute favorite things about this undeniable lunch bag. Okay, perfect. Now, not only that, it's very strong, as you may see, and I don't want to forget, I just want to talk about the outside for a little bit. The shoulders, very comfortable, as you may see, and wait for it, it's adjustable. It has an adjustable strap right here, which is perfect. So everyone will be asking you, where did you get this lunch bag from? And I'm gonna tell you how you can get this lunch bag in just a minute, and also give you a wonderful discount code. Okay, what I do also here with this compartment, I like to put some almonds in there, just a little snack, So let's go on the inside of this bag. Let's see what's inside of it. So on the inside of this bag, once you open it up, you will have 2 ice packs. And what I love about these ice packs is that they are non-toxins, and you know that's very important. And these are real ice packs, non-toxins. Keep your food very cold for a long time. You can also buy extras if you want to. We also have inside not just 1 but 2 undeniable lunch containers. Okay, so here you do have the it's microwave safe and dishwasher safe. Okay, so it's easily opened. Okay, and it's just the right size, also perfect for after gym snack. And what I like to do is I'm just going to show you how I would put a snack together, or a quick lunch, not really a lunch, but I would say like a after gym snack or before gym snack that I like to do as well. So I'm going to show you, it's real fast. And this is just something just to keep me going. All I have here is just cucumbers and tomatoes. I'll just take my tomatoes and I'll just throw them in. Oops, I lost one. Fun times. Okay, so I'll just take my tomatoes and I pretty much just throw them in the container. Nothing crazy. And I have my cucumbers and I'll throw those in as well. Once again, it's just a little snack before the gym or after the gym. You don't want to eat a lot. Especially when you're going to the gym, you don't want to eat a lot. And if you're coming after the gym, you know you just had a really good workout, so you also don't want to eat a lot. So what I would do is I'll pack just this. I'll put a little salt and some lemon juice on it. Once I put my salt and my lemon juice, I pretty much just close it up. And it's gonna keep it cool. And I'm gonna put it inside of this container. And look at the inside of this bag. Absolutely steep. You could put more than, you could put, I think, about up to 3. Anyway, so I'm putting these in just like that. And if you want to, you can put one more. And we also have our ice packs that I will just put probably one here and one on the other side. However you want to put it, it's pretty much up to you. You can also purchase more. Now this bag comes in 2 different colors and there's different varieties. I'm gonna leave the link to the website down below. You could definitely go and check it out. And also, wait for it, I have a special offer. What I'm gonna do is I'm giving you guys a 10% discount on this bag. Okay, fail to prepare is preparing to fail, and once again, I do want to prepare you for success. Okay, this is why you're gonna get a 10% off on any of these bags on the website that you would like to purchase. Go to the website, check it out, check the description. I'm gonna leave everything down below. For your discount code, it's gonna be Maxine10. That's gonna give you a 10% discount. Once again, I've been carrying this bag for a while just to check it out to make sure that I absolutely love it. So this undeniable lunch bag, I guarantee you will love it. You're gonna be able to put so many things inside of it. You're gonna be like, Maxine's Corner, you got me covered. I knew it. All right, guys, so that's it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you guys have a question for me, please leave it in the description box. If you have a meal idea that you'd like for me to do, let me know and I'll absolutely make that happen as well. All right, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time on Maxine's Corner. And what? Say, stay healthy.